of our fabulous trees that announce that spring is here. This is Magnolia excellentiana, or also known as the saucer magnolia. And it's just one of many deciduous magnolias that is proven to do well in Oklahoma. There's also Magnolia stellata that does well in Oklahoma. And many deciduous magnolias also are available that bloom in various colors from pink and cream to white, red, and even purple. There's even a yellow blooming deciduous magnolia. Now, this collection of magnolias do well in moist, rich soils, but are somewhat adaptable. They also come in a range of sizes from something that might be considered more of a shrub to something like this that's much taller and a tree form. Now, the thing about these magnolias, while they're beautiful and they really show off this time of year, is they often are blooming at that time of year where we can get a late freeze. So you might be cautious and not plant it on something that's south-facing where they'll bloom prematurely. In fact, it's actually best to put them on a north-facing wall or the side of the house so that they stay dormant just a little bit longer to protect them from any of those late freezes, so you can enjoy this beautiful display a little longer.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.